Hello friends, this is Candy with the Candy Foot Club, and I am excited to be finally trying out my new oven air fryer today. I am far from a pro when it comes to this. I have not used one before, so this is all experimental, so I thought I'd bring you along with me and we would make some French fries. This is Candy with the Candy Foot Club, and I am so excited to finally get to try out my new oven air fryer from Pampered Chef. I am not an expert when it comes to air fryers. I am just learning, so I thought that we would try and make some French fries together and see how that goes. So I got these nice new knives. These are in our new spring release products. Oh, these are so heavy. These are made with German steel. Are they beautiful? And oh, I want to show you this. This block can sit on your counter like this, or you can fold it up and stick it in a drawer. How convenient is that? So let's see, let's get started. My potatoes here. I'm just going to slice them in half to make it easier for my rapid chopper to make my French fries. Are you a French fry lover? Which do you prefer, potato chips or French fries? Let me know in the comments. All right, so set these aside and set my all right, I got my other parts and put my chopper together, and let's see. Get my French fries all chopped up and ready to go. And then I'm going to put them into this bowl and rinse them to get a lot of the starch off of it. Okay, we have given our potatoes, our French fries, a nice rinse to get some of the starch off, and now I'm just going to open up the bottom part for the air fryer. And I have these nice pans that will fit perfectly in there, and I'm going to do two different kinds of fries. So let me just divide those up. And some of these. Okay. Let's even it out a little bit. So Pampered Chef just released this new crunchy garlic crisp, and I thought that I would try it on some French fries and see how that goes. Let's open it up. This is in their new spring line. I will leave a link in the comments where you can go and get some for yourself. Oh, that smells good. Okay. Cover back on, and let's just sprinkle it on. How do you think these are going to taste, Sarah? Nice garlic crisp on top of your fries.
Sounds really good. Our family loves garlic.
And we do love garlic, that's for sure. Okay. And then for the next pan, Pampered Chef just released this spicy pizza dipping oil. I've been thinking of all kinds of ways that we could use this, and I thought that we would start by making some pizza fries. So let's get this opened and get it shook up really well here. Spicy pizza dipping oil, and okay. Let's make some pizza fries. We love pizza here, we love garlic, so I'm thinking this is going to be an awesome mixture. Just kind of mix that together and into the air fryer they are going. Okay, like I said, I literally have no idea what I'm doing, so I'm getting out their cooking guide and looking up the fries, and it says that it should take about 12 to 14 minutes on the air fryer. Okay, so I'm going to click bottom, right?
Yep. And you go to air
Okay.
fry.
So I'm gonna click. You're still going?
Yeah.
Still click bottom. Air fry.
I don't know what to do from that.
And how do I do the minute?
Maybe they have like what's this do? Oh, darn it, wrong thing.
Okay.
Oh, wait.
Right, there we go. And we're gonna put it in for about 13 minutes. Let's try.
Oh, I figured it out.
How's that? And then,
I'm guessing you click it again.
good guess, Sarah. Here we go. Let's see if we can sneak a peek and see what's going on in there. Just turn the light on. And then we are cooking. Okay, the timer has gone off, and Pampered Chef has these awesome silicone oven mitts, but their new spring product are these gloves. So I'm going to try these. Oh, these are nice. I think I need to get a set of these when I'm tending my wood stove. Look, crispy enough for us. So we're gonna try that. And oh, these are looking mighty good. So, all right, let's put them in. Let's put them in a little longer. Okay, we're getting close to our French fries being done. I learned a few new lessons on how to use an air fryer. Like, for instance, we have to let it heat up before it starts cooking. And then once it heated up, it cooked really fast.
It says ready, Mama.
Okay, let's get in here and see how they turned out. The top ones were our pizza dipping oil. Those look pretty good. Nice and crispy. Okay, and the bottom ones were the garlic crunch. And those look pretty crispy too. So now, let's give it a try, Sarah. Let's see. These look hot. They're hot. They turned out really good. They turned out like a nice crispy French fry. I think that I would add some more of the garlic crunch to it once they come out though. So let's try the pizza ones. The dipping oil. Nice and crunchy. I think I just add some salt. Overall, I'm pretty happy with how this turned out. Sarah? Pretty happy with my new oven and air fryer, and I think that we are going to be making a lot of good meals. This is Candy with the Candy Foot Club.